The Supreme Court transferred the trial of arms theft case against Kuki Revolutionary Army (KRA) Chief David Hang Singh and United Kuki Liberation Front (UKLF) leader Lunkoshan Haokip from Manipur to Assam on April 29. The bench, comprising Justices Abe S. Oka and Ujwal Bhuyan, transferred the pending 2018 case to the Special Court (NIA) in Guwahati, Assam. The court on April 22 expressed its readiness to transfer the case out of Manipur to some other jurisdiction. Regarding the same, the court instructed Additional Solicitor General Bikramjit Banerjee to decide upon a place or court outside Manipur on April 29, where the trial could conveniently take place. Following the court's ruling, the ASG on April 29 informed the court that the matter could be transferred to Guwahati, Assam. However, ASG also said that the suggestion to hold a trial at Guwahati would not be seen as a concession, following which the court ordered the transfer of the case pending in Manipur to the Court of Special Judge NIA Guwahati, Assam. The parties have been directed to appear before the Guwahati Special Court on June 3, 2024. The transfer Special Court has the liberty to decide on the aspect of the recording of the statements or evidence through the video conferencing mode. The case dates back to 2018 when a theft of 56 pistols and 58 magazines took place at the Director General Pool Armory inside the 2nd Manipur Rifles Battalion premises and were allegedly sold to certain separatist outfits.